You get it, girl. Quick introduction. Hey, y'all. About to go to my cousin cookout. Stay tuned. They got me on freaking hookah doodling. You guys hate tearing it up. Really good. Finish up. Freaking burgers. Chicken, mac and cheese, more chicken, some good beans, some rice, some more beans. There's just a lot going on.
Destiny's vlog.
We vlogging.
That's on YouTube. What you mean? I don't even know what to play, bro. That's why I don't know. I didn't see it. Or TikTok, one of them.
Where that come from? Like,
I'm the dome, bro.
Okay.
No, that's that drunk shit, bro.
You drunk? What you drinking?
Whiskey. You drunk already? I'm a whiskey man.
Oh, you were old, man.
Yeah, you know, I'm a real nigga.
Okay, DJ, come on, play next. No, what are you doing? Why? No. No, wait a minute. The song is over. I didn't put it next.
My fault.
I know that was gonna be awkward.
No, man.
Oh, fire the DJ.
That's you. Who's the DJ? And what you have?
Better watch what you say.
Niggas can hear them.
You would make
Oh, fuck.
You nervous?
Ain't no song playing it?
No. He got it all awkward.
Niggas, I wanted people to, talk to them.
Now they was expecting something glitter. Now they like, this is lame.
It's all you though. This is you.
What you say? I don't know what point it at. Better make right there. Call me baby. I make them feel like that. You gonna take it all day? Okay, get you a shot. Get you a shot. My cousin didn't get her shot. We supposed to be doing karaoke. Okay, background dancer. You got Marcus in the background, like.
Hey, bro. I'm glad y'all came, for sure. This nigga JD be too cool.
They both be too cool.
You was under 21 for a long time. You know what I'm saying?
She don't never go outside. She been 21 for how many months? She's getting it. You get it, girl. She is hitting that hoe. Don't play with it.
Now it's back to Coca. Niggas talking shit, bro. Hang around a roper. Hit them with that chopper. Call that shit hot lava. Call me Waka Flocka. AKA Young Bobby.
Sing the song, man. Sing it. a baby shot. My cousin finally showed up, y'all. It's been 5 hours.
I bought some food.
She talk about she bought some food.
Okay, you can never.
She always brings some food.
And I got a bottle. Hello.
And she got a bottle, like.
Hello.
You gonna have to catch up. Oh, she got the dime. Go ahead, Reggie. I know they your little jam. They your little jam.
Do I know that one?
You know, look.
You playing? You know it too. Go ahead, get on that.
I'm just recording. I'm the recorder.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Get on out there. That's crazy. Come on, DJ. What you got going on, DJ?
What's that? She said she was fixing for the bathroom.
My cousin. What's going on, y'all? I'm trying to get Destiny drunk, but she on the bullshit. She need to get drunk. Forget me. Just she need to get drunk. She wasn't here at 7 o'clock.
I have this. And
She got here. She just got here.
No, I didn't. I've been here for an hour.
She's
In an hour, you
lying.
take 4 shots.
Where that text message at? Do you want to be in it? She up. I don't want nobody on my comments like, that's coming. Why you recording?
I'm in the Billboard train. I just want to be an A. Really all in my face.
500 rest of the safe, 500 rest of the plug. What you know about showing love? What you know? Not me. Him.
You bow down to me, you bow down for me. You lay down and do that time for me. Sorry, bro, I ain't lying to you, but don't you lie to me. And junkie, you a junkie. I'm getting hungry, I'm getting money. I'm hungry, I want some money.
Yeah. Big boy. Yeah.
You wanted to take a shot?
Nah, hell no.
That's what you said. Where you running? Where you going? You didn't say you want to take a shot. You got to take a shot. My cousin said she want to take a shot. Trey said he wanted a shot too.
I'm fucked up. One more shot though. One more shot.
Look, see? What y'all got to say? Y'all high? Y'all high? Oh, you don't smoke?
I don't smoke.
But y'all drunk? Okay. But they want me to take a nerder shot. And one thing you gotta do is watch my brother, cause he'll take a shot of water and be like, "Damn, I got a shot of tequila." No, idiot. Damn, I got a shot of tequila. Nah, idiot. You got a shot of water. My boy can't even open it.
Man, turn the light on, bro. We couldn't see it.
Dang. Whoa, relax, guys. Dang. It's just a joke for the vlog, guys. Just laugh.
I ain't know.
Just laugh, guys.
Do it again.
But you already opened it though.
Wait, just go like this.
Yeah, we outside. We lit everything. You know, we out here got the bottles. You feel me? Oh, shoot. He got the bottle, the big bottle. Oh, he could barely get that big open. All right. Okay. My boy is drinking whiskey. Now he's drinking that. I'm sorry. Dang, it's a joke, guys. It's a joke for the vlog. It's a joke.
Stop talking for the vlog. Oh, you right though. I'm gonna sip on it, man.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. Why are you doing that? Why are you listening? Why you keep moving your hand? I don't want to take a shot of it.
I'm gonna drink it eventually.
But you've been drinking whiskey though.
I know, that's why I'm taking my time.
And now he's taking away. I'm scared.
I'm mixing.
He mixing.
Got no problem saying no.
Oh shit, I'm like,
You got there kept looking like. You need to mix that shit in some shit, nigga. God, man.
that nigga said.
My boy kept pouring.
What's up, man?
That little baby shot.
Nigga, she like, dude, why you pouring that shit? Nigga, she like,
Dang, you all on my tip.
hey, look. That's ass over there like this. I was just making sure he gave you some. Like, damn.
What y'all think?
You gotta get a quarter. He gotta get a quarter.
Let me see. Bro, come on, man. Why y'all all on my tip?
You got nothing in your cup.
What is that? Nothing. You skipped me.
It's all in it.
Okay. Y'all ready? He said it might take him out. It's gonna take you out. Whiskey?
If you already there, then it's over with.
It's over with.
That nigga care about telling everybody on their phone what you doing.
F-Tay. Still stand on that. Hey, like, let me tell you about this guy. So it was one day we had like a little family. What? Dang, can I just talk to the vlog? Like, chill. But Tay Lane though, like I told him to record for me, right? My boy was like, all right, bet. And did not show up. Like I sent him the address and everything.
Last time I seen Tay was what was that called? What festival was that? What festival?
Oh, I didn't go.
World Music Fest.
Yeah. Chill. I wasn't invited though. I wasn't invited.
Of course.
But no, Tay Lane. Tay is really lame. I wanted him to record on multiple occasions. Pulled his text messages up. I texted him. I'm like, oh, we having this family function. I want you to record. I will pay. He sent me his price. Egypt. He sent me the prices. I'm like, oh, I'll pay. I'll give you a tip and everything. Like, I'm not tripping. You could. I said, Egypt. I said you could eat. You could drink for free, and I'll pay you. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay, cause she told me the story.
Yeah, that's why I don't like. That's why I don't like that.
Fans.
And like he just was like, hey, the next time I saw him, I'm like,
Yeah, nigga, you in here too, gang.
Cool like it never happened.
hey, really lame though. Like,
Zero. Like,
y'all don't understand how lame he is.
that shit not holding up in court. I don't know what you're talking about.
He really lame. Like capital
And I'm
lame.
here right now. So,
But you ain't got no camera though. I don't care.
This bitch wasn't moving like that.
That's crazy. When I want you to have the camera, oh, you're nowhere to be found. Oh, I gotta drive an hour out there. I was paying you though. You gonna get a quick little 200, 300, 400, however much it was. Cause I was gonna pay you. Y'all shout yourself out. Oh, thank you. I'm straight out here. All right, y'all. You finna, where you going? All right. Destiny. Yeah, I am. I'm about to. Bye, Destiny. All right, Bree. It's Noonienute. Oh, my camera. Hey, we lit.
It don't matter what you're on. Please, whatever you're doing right now, just know that you're doing enough at night. Fuck these niggas that they got going on in the government. Do your thing, especially if you're a black woman, you're doing the most. My niggas, y'all doing y'all thing too. You just need to make sure we taking care of them. Whatnot. Keep doing your thing. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? So what kind of phone? Alright, never mind. I'm gonna bring y'all back to the owner.
But yeah, I'm gonna follow you back. You too. Don't step in there.
Ooh, thank you.
I don't know what that is.